neighbors here with air fryer egg rolls. I mean, what?
I know, it's crazy, right?
Again, she pushes me out of my box a little bit. This is not the kind of thing like I'm gonna make the effort to do, but it was so simple.
So easy.
So simple.
So easy.
And I am really excited to try them.
So we decided, when I found this recipe, it was a pork egg roll for your air fryer. I love egg rolls. I love Asian food. But obviously we're not eating meat. We're trying not to eat a lot of meat. We're on the shred, so it had to be shred friendly. We used Beyond Meat. The little Beyond Meat
meat
patties.
substitute.
It's a meat substitute.
So vegan or not, it's not meat.
It's plants. That's what it is.
Yeah.
And the wrappers are actually vegan too. Gluten-free, vegan.
Naturally, like the egg roll wrappers at Schnucks are.
Which I didn't know that. I thought they were gluten. And then we stuck them in the air fryer. Look at that.
I mean, they're beautiful.
They're
So it's
gorgeous.
cabbage, onion, celery,
Carrots.
and then the Beyond Meat, and then just a little salt and pepper.
That's it.
That is it. We just cooked that down. Jill wrapped them beautifully, and we are about to dip in some sweet chili sauce and some gluten-free tamari.
Right.
Here,
So
why don't you try?
how should I just?
Yeah,
do this?
just break it in half, and yeah, I'll take the bigger half.
Of course you will.
That's how I roll. Oh my gosh.
I don't.
I'm gonna dip one little in here,
I know.
and then I'll put some of the sauce.
These
in
are
there.
smoking hot.
Okay.
Air fryer just went off, so hold on, please.
Okay, and I'll put a little sauce here on my plate. That's not gonna work very
It's
well.
still not gonna work.
No, that's okay.
Yeah, that's
Okay, this
Alright,
looks so
ready?
good. Oh my gosh.
It's
They're
hot.
hot.
Yeah, I can't bite right now.
These are so good.
They smell really good.
They taste like a fry. I mean, the air fryer amazes me. I don't have an air fryer, so I have not used an air fryer a lot. That is so good. And honestly, it tastes like pork. I'm just gonna have to dip this side in here
Oh
because
my.
yeah.
It almost has a steak flavor to it, right?
These are so good. I mean, honestly, these are delicious.
And they were so easy to make. So,
Is there a reason we split one?
I don't know.
Okay. Sorry, we were pretty excited about eating that. So we just had to take a little moment. We're gonna drop the recipe below. I am shocked how easy this is. It was absolutely delicious, healthy. I mean, this is a great example of taking a not healthy food that you might enjoy and making it healthier, and it is still delicious. And I am not kidding you when I say I like literally. I mean, yeah, maybe if I had a regular egg roll right here, I might notice a slight difference. But I'll tell you, I feel a heck of a lot better after I eat those, and they are stinking good.
They're so good. Don't be afraid of the egg roll wrapper. You could put all sorts of things.
Oh,
in
you could, and don't be afraid of the air fryer, and don't be afraid of that Beyond Meat product. But you can get the crumbles at Whole Foods, right?
Right. And the patties now at Schnucks. Schnucks
Oh.
is carrying the patties.
Okay, and we just crumbled up a couple patties because that's what you had. So
That's what I had.
all right, guys, please subscribe. We're trying to bring you lots of fun, new, different, delicious plant-based foods, healthy foods, foods that you can feed your family with that are still yummy and, you know, delicious and healthy. So, yeah.
What she said.
Yeah, that. All right. See ya.